keep tracing.
You okay, Phil? You have a question?
You don't need to cover your work. You're using your own thinking. Here, you've got your battery to one light, but now look at it to this light. Don't cover up your work. Your work is your own. Look at how the wires get from this battery to this light. Trace them over there and then draw them.
George, when you're done with that work, I want to take you back, and I want your eyes to show me, trace the path, okay? Can you show me?
I like how you labeled the first light, the second light, the third light. Nice. You set the circuit up just like making a regular circuit, but you do it 3 times. That's a nice way to say it.